Oh, hey guys, did not see you there. It's me, Oswald Jr. I have Ortensia here. Hello! And I have Oswald Jr. 3. Hey bro, I'm Oswald Jr. 3. I play Call of Duty and play Battle Cats. That's why I'm watching Oswald, my father, playing Battle Cats, because well, I love Battle Cats. Yeah, he really does love Battle Cats. Yep, I do, fool. Okay, Oswald Jr. 3, you're going way too far. Look, I'm 13 years old and I don't care. I play Fortnite and other stuff. Okay, you're going way too far, bro. You're acting pretty cool. I am cool. Okay. I'm getting my stuff mixed up. Anyways, we're playing Battle Cats. Wait, do I got a February or something? I was in Special Cats. Taichi! Oh god. I wish I got enough cat food to do this. Yeah, Oswald, I feel bad for you. Don't feel bad, Ortensia, just a game. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, just a game, fool. Don't say that to my wife. Sorry, bro. I'm 13. We don't care you're 13. You guys don't care about me. We do care about you. Sorry about that. Anyways, before we start this game, I'm just gonna... Oh, never mind. Activate the energy drink in Battle Cats Rising and get bonus abilities by collecting the first 7 treasures. Rewards 20 cat foods. Okay, now we're in Machu Picchu. Yeah, fool. Yay, Machu Picchu. That's where I went. Yeah, me and Ortensia had a great time. Alright, let's go. Hello, little cute cat. You're pretty cool. Now, once again, I cannot beat this round. This round is insanely hard. Okay, things start off simple, but to go wrong, it goes very wrong. Oswald Jr. is here. Would you like to play? Yeah, sure. Alright, so, hey! Get back to Oswald Jr. He's the boss of this game. Yeah, I am, fool. Okay, fine, have it. Okay, thanks, fool. My god, it says fool. God dang. Sexual. Oswald, do you think I am sexual? Oh, Ortensia, you are, though. Oh god! Oh my god! Things are going very wrong. So this is what I told you. Rounds are going insanely wrong. Things go insanely wrong, insanely wrong. Things go very insanely wrong. Very wrong. I hope Lantern does not come in here. If you do not know who Lantern is, it's actually Lantern's brother. I hope he does not come in here. And you know what? He calls me Brandon, and I have to stop my videos. I don't know if he's drunk or not. I haven't got the, I never met Lantern. I never, seen him in quite a while. Oh my god, stop attacking my base! But thank God I have 40 cat food. Because once I'm in like a lot of trouble, I'm gonna have to. Wait. I should not call you out. Get out here, you naked god. Alright. Oh, get out! You've been on my butt for too long. God dang, you're going fast. The year just does not get stopping. Oh, Brave Cat, we got to add you in. Bean Cats. I heard when you upgrade Bean Cats to level 10, they will turn into a Broadcats. And it's actually very weird. Oh shoot, that was the wrong one. I forgot, well, I still have something good though, I think. I think so. Yeah, it's actually something good. Okay, then we'll call this out. Victoire? What the frick? Okay. Alright, I'll re-heal my cats from my base and we should be fine. Ah! Take that, suckers! Oh, one hit! Things are going faintly right. Just listen to me and you'll believe me one day. I'm freaking furious! That cat died. Oh, you're doing pretty good. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Ortensia. Yeah, for you. Wait, Oswald Jr. Fine. Oh, guys, if you did not notice, I stopped it playing. You know, I thought I was gonna lose because I think Machu Picchu run was pretty hard. So I started playing and I decided to trick you guys. Yeah, good prank. Thanks, fool. So good prank to do for YouTubers. Thanks, so when you go to the freaking YouTuber guide. Oh god, we really don't got that much cats left. This is how things are going to freaking unhappy ending. Things are going insanely wrong. One day you might believe me. Oh yeah, things are going really wrong. You know what? I think it's time. Here we go. For 20 cat food! Oh my god, your naked body. Oh, I like this one. Oh, that killed one of them, I think. So it should still be fine. Dang. Ah! Get you. Ah! Get you. Get you. I'm getting my good cats in because, well... Oh my god, they're getting so close. Oh shoot, that's horrible. Oh crap, there's no cats. There's no cats. Oh, what are you gonna do? Don't worry, Ortensia, I got your back. Oh crap, we're gonna lose. I don't have enough cats for any special powers. I'm wasting all my money. Shoot. Ah, fire. Oh, come on. Alright, how much time? God, we almost at 10 minutes. Oh my god, we dead. I cannot spawn no more cats. Okay, we fine. Yeah, let's do it for dead. Well, this is how much cat food I got left. Then we dead. You got. Sit back and watch me work. I will watch you work, alright. God, your naked body. Freaking horrible. Okay, stop. Please stop attacking my base. Watch you, I have no more cat food and I'm dead. I'm mother freaking dead. Oh, God. Please, no more bad guys. Please, no more. I want this thing killed already. Oh yeah, we did. God, 17. Oh, come on. No, we lost. Don't worry, Oswald. Yeah. Oswald, I'll stop it with you. Don't worry, Oswald. Maybe in your next round you win. Thanks for Ortensia. Oh, cat cup full. So this once. What did I get? I'm exchanging this for XP. Thank you. Alright, let's go upgrade our cat. Whoops. Wrong one. And nope, not equipped. I'll upgrade you. Giraffe cat. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and check out. Well, it looks like I'm a lucky rabbit. Don't worry, Oswald. I think you're always lucky. Yeah, maybe next time I'll beat this round. I will beat this round and I'll get a good cat who will beat this freaking round. Goodbye, guys. Yeah, goodbye, fool. Goodbye. Oswald, my honey bunny. Oswald, my cat. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.